Today we're going to generate an API Gateway and Lambda for a fizz calculator. We'll go ahead and use the Massdriver application generator, and we'll name this application fizz. We'll call this application later using the REST API that we create for it. Okie doke. So now we'll use the infrastructure recommendation tool to add a gateway to this Lambda. So this will actually handle routing traffic into our container for our fizz calculator. We'll click configure and we'll pick a regional preset for this API gateway, and we'll put this in US West 2. We'll also pick a DNS name for our application, and this will enable Massdriver to manage the TLS certificates and configure the DNS host name for routing our traffic. You can see that's provisioning. Massdriver takes care of the CI/CD for all Terraform and Helm charts run through the platform. And we'll go ahead and configure our Lambda as well. So we will give this a path name for our Lambda to respond to. We'll pick the HTTP verb that our API will respond to, and then set the Docker container for our code. We'll also fine-tune some of the compute requirements for our application and enable log retention and set the timeout for our Lambda. Okay, our Lambda should be finished provisioning here in just a minute. There it is. And now we'll switch over to the CLI and hit our API to see this calculate. And there we go. We can see that we're able to route traffic to this Lambda through the API gateway. It's registered the TLS certificate as well as executed the Lambda function.